like 19. No, she's 24.
24?
Yes, 24 years old. She got one kid though, dude.
That's good. Nothing wrong with that, Reg.
Right. What are you doing?
Flash? Yeah, flash. Flash.
Okay. What are you recording me again?
Huh?
On YouTube and shit?
Yeah,
You YouTube.
So, how old do you like him?
Well, I let them speak any English. Do not bother me. You want to hear a story about me and my dad, right? One day, right? We were talking and he says, son, we are going to have a barbecue today. I said, what? Barbecue? American barbecue. What? I'm born American raised. What are you talking about? Well, I really want to be American and we're going to invite all the white people to our neighborhood and we're going to be surely American. And I go, what? Really? Okay. All right. I'm down for that. And I go, what are you going to barbecue? He's all like, maybe we get some hamburgers and hot dog. I go, what's hot dog, Dad? Hot dog. You know, whatever you call it these days. I don't care what fancy name you call it. So anyways, we invited the whole neighborhood and they all come over and says to me, huh, son? You like it? We are now American, huh? Look how happy they are. Of course they're happy. You gave them beer. What do you expect? Oh, that's me and my dad's story. That's it.